guys, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm here inspired by a TikTok video. Yes, I downloaded TikTok and I waste 30 minutes of my life every night before I go to sleep on TikTok. I found this guy called Newt NEWT 120, and dude, he looks so good and he cooks. He has made some cooking videos. He's on YouTube and Instagram as well, but he's made only a few videos. But dude, his cooking videos are so good, and he made the most delicious pasta. I've seen like 3-4 videos of him making pasta, and it looked so good that I just got the craving to have pasta. And in this quarantine time, I did want to stock up on food that lasts a long time, so I bought some linguine pasta, which is the pasta that is like long, thin noodles. Those. On the side, I am just boiling some pasta and stirring it. I think it's al dente right now. Perfect. Damn. So today I'm gonna make mushroom pasta. He made non-veg seafood pastas. I'm gonna try to make a veg pasta with his recipe. I'm not including his TikTok because one of my videos got deleted because we were reacting to Korean K-pop things. So I don't want to include anything like that. I'm gonna transfer my pasta in a container like this. I'm not gonna strain it because I want to keep the water in. Otherwise, have you seen that pasta gets all sticky? So I don't want that to happen. Well, as per his videos, I'm gonna put some butter. Ooh, check that butter off. Dude, now that's what you call sliding on the pan like a slab of butter. Does anybody say that? I don't know. I'm gonna add a lot of garlic. He puts a lot of garlic in his stuff, and he says to cook the garlic until it smells nice. So it smells so nice, honey. I'm not prepared. My mom would be so mad. I bought some mushrooms. They are pre-sliced. I'm gonna use like half a container of this, I guess. Good, my mouth is watering. Yeah. Oh my god, guys, it smells so good you don't even understand. I think that's the butter browning up. I don't want that to happen. Hello. Maybe I'll add some oil to help out. Might as well just go all out. I never cook with butter. I use that much. Now I'm gonna use a similar amount again. Wow, mushrooms have never looked so good. Oh my god. I think it's time to add the pasta. I'm gonna add some chili flakes, which is mixed with mirch. So that sucks. Oh my god, where's my oregano? I'm gonna give it a... Whoa, that's a bit too much. That's a bit too much. Then what he did was he added some of the pasta juice. The water that we boiled the pasta in, he saved it. Are you as excited about this taste test as I am? Wow, we're glitching over here. Anyways, it's a little bit dry to my liking. But you know what? It's so good. I'm just gonna eat it as it is. It's good. I've never cooked like the mushrooms. I've never cooked the mushrooms so well. So yeah, maybe I should have added a bit more of the oil or whatnot because he does use a lot of it. But this is delicious. Thank you for inspiring me to make pasta today. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. If you want to watch more of such cooking videos, I've made a lot of them. Make sure to subscribe below and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any video in this quarantine time. And I'll see you in my next one.